Alright, um, I have decided to start a series on something people have asked me when I've been streaming World of Warcraft, which is completely making UI from scratch. I used to love making UIs, and people seem to enjoy them. So with this, I will be attempting to recreate the UI I currently have. So you've got your player frame here, target frame here, target of target target of target would appear right here like this. Elect the buzz. Uh, got weak aura set up. This is a paladin UI, so weak aura set up for your holy power right here. That's one holy power. That's two holy power. Three holy power. And four and five are pink because they're extras. When you use the holy power on flame, duration appears here. Uh, Sacrifice would appear next to it, but you can't really sack an NPC, so that doesn't work. Anything else about this? Yes, the raid frames. So voodoo. Let's have a look at the voodoo. This is how it will be set up in the end. So with that, let's get started with the shadowed unit frames. So let's start from zero. Alright, so I just reset my UI, and this is what you should be left with. So start off, type /suf, and this will bring you into the configuration for shadow unit frames. So we've got targeted, targeted, target. Let's disable some units here. I do not need to know the target of target of target. I do not need to know the focus target. I just need player, pet, target, focus, targeted target, party. I don't need boss. I'll enable that in deadly boss mods. So you've got unit configuration here. Global. You can select all of this if you want to. This will change the settings for all of them. So I will probably use pet, focus, party. There we go. So that's target and player will be the same dimensions, same colors most likely. So we can change all of that at once. So for starters, we don't want portraits. Portraits are for scrubs, right? Right? Right. Enable combo points. I do not want to have combo points on my frames. I don't want the holy power. And I don't want combat text. That's all pure preference. I will be setting up weak auras for everything later in the series. So I will be using weak auras for my holy power. Frame. Right. The height. Let's get it a bit. Oops, no, not 600. That's too much. 60. 60 seems fair. And then a width of 250. That's a bit too high. Let's have a 220 then. Yeah. I mean, 200, 210. Yeah, 210. Right, that's perfect. So we've got the power bar. Just enough. I'm not going to change this. I will be changing the size of the power bar, but I do want to have a power bar here. So that is mana, rage, energy, focus, whatever. I do not want XP or reputation bars. I do want a health bar. Color by reaction, never. Color health by class, yep, sounds about correct. And this should be green. Oh, we'll change it later. Healing absorbs, do not want. Incoming heals, do not want. Incoming absorbs, nope. Nope. The empty bar, no. That is, use it like in between here to put some text. Do not want a cast bar. Right, this is where we're going to change how big the power bar is. So this is relative to the health bar. So the health bar is 1, power bar is 2. Well, it says 10 and 20, but it means just the health bar is on top. So the power bar is a bit smaller. Let's get it like this. So now you see we've got a big health bar, small power bar, alternative power bar. Actually, I don't need one of these. Let's disable that one. Where is this again? Power bar. I don't need an alternative one because I'm a paladin. I don't have anything but mana. Right. Indicators. Do I want a class icon? No. Class row? No. Combat status? No. Leader? Yes. My leader. Yeah, let's keep it. UP flag? Yes. Quest boss? Yes. Raid rule? Nope. Raid target? Nope. Ready status? Nope. Resurrect status? Nope. Okay, perfect. I am not interested in Demonic Fury. I am interested in my health bar. So the left text is my name. So that's down here. I don't need to know. Oh, what just happened? I seem to have broken the game. We've done a little bit of research here. I found the commands, so it would be current HP, right? So we get my current HP, 291,000 HP. Let's put a straight line here, because that's the way I like it. So you get the straight line right after it. And the percent HP, so per HP. So that way we get my current HP and percentages. I know I don't need the percentages, it's just the way I like it set up. Then we move to the power bar where I do not want any text, and in the right text I would like to have my current power. And that's handy. So there you go. That's 160,000, but I would like it in absolute. How do I say this? Current PP. How do I get this? Where is it? Current PP. Ah, fuck it. It's fine. I'll keep it at 160k. Oh, right. Here it is. Current power, absolute. There we go. That's a lot better. So, if you want the command, there it is. Right there. But if you want to go down, it's right here. So that's the power done right now. So what have we got? We got the power, we've got my name, and we have got my current HP. However, I don't really want my name here. So let's keep like this. I know what my name is. I know my name is Electabuzz. So that's that. So with this, we're halfway done with this frame. So let's move this. Lock frames. No, I don't want to lock my frames. Of course, we move all of this at once. I don't want my pet frame. Don't want my party frames. I want to move just this. And I think this add-on has got a really cool thing where you can snap it to the center. Oh, okay. This add-on does not have a really cool thing where we snap it to the center. So keep it here. This would be my HP. And I'm actually going to change it. I would like it to be a bit wider. Let's have it at 230. That'll be better, yep. Okay, so lock frames again. Player. And now we're going to go to the most fun part for the most people, which is right here. General. The bar texture. There we go. I had to find it for a while. For this, I use a library called Shared Media. If you want it, you should. All of these textures, you should really check it out. There's some good textures in here. I prefer using flat, so it's like a nice even texture. Border color would be black. There we go. I am back. I had to interrupt it for a while. My little niece of she's 4 right now. I had to come in and say good night because she's she's gone for her afternoon nap. So with that, I was talking about how I liked the flat thing. So flat, there we go. Just a nice even texture. Let's put this on case 2. Is it case 2? Can't remember. And the font. This is also from shared media. For this UI, I would like to use the Ubuntu, whatever you want to call it. That's what we're going to use for this one. Text management, what's this? Oh, that's fine. Right. I have forgotten how to reposition this, because I would like this to be offset a little bit to the bottom. Let me think here for a second. With this, we're back. There is a button here you can press, Advanced, which is why I was very confused at the start as to why I couldn't use these repositioners on the power bar. There we go. So we've got power bar, it is a text on the right, and I'm just going to offset it. So let's go like this. I would like this to be bigger, because this is my mana we're talking about. So. There we go, offset it a little to the right. 1. Okay, that'll do. So with that, that is my player frames almost done. Not quite, but we're almost done. I was going to do something, but I completely forgot what it was. The left text. Everything's okay here. Oh, yeah, of course. This needs to be right about. Let's keep it at this distance. That'll be fine. So lock frames. So that's me, my target, and the target of target. We're about to change the target of target. Don't worry. It's all gonna come. So as you see here, I've got the sign of apexes, which is an aura. I don't have those on my player frame. I do not enable them on my player frame for a simple reason that I've got it right here. I do, however, enable them on my target frame. It's just that I need to find the there we go. Can't remember. Oh, border. Go. No, this needs to go. Is there an option for none? Why is this here? Hey, there we go. That's better. Actually, I will keep this on a solid color. Right, as I was saying before my Skype so rudely interrupted me, I am not going to keep this class color. I'm instead going to go to global because I want it to be both my target and myself. And actually, I'll keep it off on my target as well. I am supposed to go to the bars, health bar, and have it on a static color. Now the color is right here, static color. Let's get it on a nice, pretty dark. Yeah, I like this. Let's keep it on a dark gray. There we go. And let's have mana, because I'm a paladin, on pink. I need to find a nice smooth pink color. That's a bit too bright. That'll do. So we have got my player frame all set up. I'm about to set up the text tags on the target frame. I don't really care about their name either. So let's go to target, text flags, health bar left text. Don't care. I, however, do care if he's AFK. I think that's how you do it. Misk. Class specific, no. AFK status. Yeah, I was correct. Woo! Go me. And the right text, let's just keep it on %p. I will mostly be healing through voodoo anyway, which will be right around here. So I will see the values right here. Don't need to know them here, because generally all I do is mouse over macros anyway. We'll get to that. Do I care about their power? I don't really care about my target's power, so let's just disable that. Boom. There we go. Okay. So let's go back here, unlock the frames, start working on the target of target, which will be right around here. There we go. So, target of target. Do I want a mana bar? Nope. I just want to know what the target of my target is. So power bar, no, disable. Text, I only want the name, nothing else. Don't care about your HP. Don't care about your raid target. I do, however, want you to be a bit longer. So let's go to frame with 160. That seems a bit too long. 140. All right. This seems to be okay. Right. Perfect. So what do we have here? Focus. I'm going to go to focus. And I didn't think this through very well. So let's just copy this from. Can I not copy this? No, of course I can't. I should be able to. There should be a copy from option. Well, it doesn't matter really. So width on 40. I don't want a power bar. Don't want heal / absorbs. Don't want incoming heals. Want none of this. Don't want any indicators. You can all fuck right off. There we go. And the health should be static. There you go. Okay, so that's a lot better, right? And this would be my focus. But this is all starting to look pretty okay, I would say. I may move this all down just a little, but that's just depending on how big my bars will be in the middle here. But we're still stuck with the debuffs right here. Well, buffs and debuffs. And those belong to my target. So let's go to auras. Let's go to there. Do I want to know about their buffs? I don't really care about their buffs. If I've got all of my buffs up here, it means they most likely have their buffs up there. And if it's any important buffs that I need to know about, such as Hand of Sacrifice, Icebound Fortitude, all that good stuff, I will most likely be showing it on my voodoo. So with that, buffs, disable. Debuffs, however, I do care about quite a bit more. So we will anchor them. Where do we anchor them? Display. Positioning. Probably positioning. And we will anchor them to the top left, like this. This is a bit tall. Actually, let's get a bit bigger. Let's really care about them. How many per row do we want? 8. Minus 19. 19 point. Can we do it like this? No. Okay, that kind of sucks. Doesn't really matter too much though. Don't really need more than one row. Display. Um, Enlarge for curable. No, let's not enlarge. Um, my auras should never be. Um, my auras should never really be a debuff. If they are, I'm doing something wrong. Or at least I would think so. So let's just scale this up a bit more. There we go, that's a lot better. So we've got 8 debuffs here. If your tank has got 8 debuffs, he is most likely gonna die. So let's just keep it at 8. So this is starting to look okay, right? Is this all I need for this part? I do think so. Have I gone over everything? No, I've not done the party yet. I am the worst. Actually, I'm going to disable the party. Because my party will be Voodoo Unitframes. Boop. Pet frame, I'm not really a pet class. I shouldn't have enabled this. But I will do it, however. I'll set this up just in case I want to level my hunter. I'll probably keep it to the left of my of myself, which would be this frame. So let's keep it over here. Aim this up a bit so I've got a nice point of view. Right, pet. I don't want combat text, so no. Have I got this disabled on my other frames? No, of course I don't. Target a target. Oh, perfect. Everything's okay. So back to pets. The pets, do I care about your power? I don't play a hunter. I used to play a hunter. I don't play a hunter anymore. So with that, power bar, disable. Boom. Class misc bars. Don't care about heals. Okay, this is looking good. Do I care about your indicators? No. Do I care about your auras? No. Do I care about your debuffs? Most likely not. I do think Minped nowadays just removes any debuffs or at least attempts to heal them. So with that, I don't really care. I do want it to not be this wide, so let's keep it at 140, just like my not 1640. That would be catastrophical. Let's keep it here. Actually, I could be this taller. No, at the same size. It just looked a bit off. I'll keep it like this. Yeah, I'll just keep it like this. I think I like this. I think I like this a lot. Alright, so I do think that with this, I have set up my unit frames. So let's lock frames. And this looks pretty good, if I do say it so myself. I'll be continuing this UI in another video, and I will most likely set up my quartz cast bar and my bartender 4 action bars.